Collision in two dimensions, that means one object is moving, another object, let's strike it, and they will move in a different directions. Okay, एक इधर गया एक उधर, that means they will create some angles with respect to the original axis. So let's take m1 is moving with v1, m2 is moving with 0, that means initially rest. After collisions, m1 will move in this direction, m2 will move in this direction, making theta 1 and theta 2 with respect to the axis. Now let divide its components. m1 of velocity v1f, so v1f cos theta 1 is the directions in the horizontals, and your m2 into your v2f cos theta 2. Similarly vertically v1f sin theta 1 आएगा, here v2f sin theta 2, right? So what about the laws of conservation of momentum? m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is 0, so this one is equals to your m1 into v1f cos theta 1 plus m2 v2f cos theta 2. Then kinetic energy half m1 v1 square is equals to your kinetic energy is your half m1 v1 f square plus half m2 v2 f square. This one is your horizontal. Similarly momentum का vertical directions में you can find out here both horizontal and verticals. You have to find out two components. Vertically m1 into 0, इसका velocity vertically कुछ नहीं था, that means 0 is equals to m1 into v1 f sin theta 1 plus m2 v2 f sin theta 2. So these are the equations in two dimensions. For momentums, you will get both horizontal and vertical components. So in two dimensional, you have to separate it like this. That means it has two components, both horizontal and verticals, right? And if we put theta 1, theta 2 both are equals to 0, then it is your one dimensional analysis. So go and practice all these things. If you have any doubts, then write it in comment sections.